What's up guys, today I'm going to show you a very simple trick on Adobe Photoshop on how to change the color of the image that you want. So as you can see, there's a red car over here. It looks pretty cool, and if you want like a yellow car or a green car instead of the red, I'm going to show you a very simple trick over here. So if you want more stock photos like this, you can go to www.unsplash.com and you'll get a range of beautiful stock pictures that you can use for your practice. And yeah, so let's go and check it out how we can do this. So first you have to see that the image is a smart object. Right click on it and select rasterize layer. So after the layer is rasterized, now you have to go to the small option as you can see over here and click on Hue Saturation. And after this you have to select over here where the master is written and click on reds. Now you can play around like however you want with the colors. You can make it whatever color you want. You can make it yellow, you can make it green, you can make it magenta, and you know, it's pretty cool to see that. And you can also choose the saturation of the image however you want it again, and I like to keep it subtle. A little bit of lightness adjustment you can do over here and it will look pretty cool. So this is how you change the color of the image you have. So if you like this kind of trick, if you want to know more of these hacks, we have amazing design courses and design webinars on the link in the bio, and you can check it out and you'll definitely love it. Cheers.